Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's color time for the single cutaway for Jonathon Brant. We got some color on the back. This is just sealer with color under it so that I can seal the edges good. And so we'll brighten that up a bit, obviously, with some lacquer. And then we're going to do a nice vintage amber on this top with a nice cherry sunburst. All right, so that's what we're shooting for. So I'm going to bring the camera in closer so you can see this first coat going down. And thanks for stopping by and taking a look. Okay, here we go. Hold on. It would come to life. Okay, that's our first coat. Wow, look at that wood. That's crazy, isn't it? That'll get you down in there. There, much better. Good old Q-tip. I use quite a bit of these things around here. Quite a few, quite a bit. Up here by the neck, it's always tricky. Okay. There you go, guys. Vintage amber, first coat. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching.